Watch number 120. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Argyle, or 11 miles west of Monroe, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include New Glarus, Argyle, Blanchardville, South Wayne, Hallandale, Woodford, and Jordan Center. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin.